Assalamu alaikum viewers. I am your host Muhammad Salim Khojawadia.
You are watching a segment of the Lub-e-Lubab's history and future. Today we will talk about a girl who changed history. Joan of Arc. 15th century France, where wars turned homes to ruins, people lived in fear and hope was over, where war and destruction had disappointed the nation. 1412, a quiet village of Demermy, where a peasant daughter was born. Joan of Arc. The young girl had dreams in which angels would come and say, "Get up, young. You must save France." At only 17 years of the young girl reached the court of King Charles and said, "God sent me. Given army, I will save France." The king, surprised but confident, gave Joan an army, and thus began a revolution. Joan led the army, and the fate of France began to change. Joan's leadership brought France its first major victory at the Battle of Orleans. The nation's courage was awakened. The victory at Orleans sparked a new ray of hope in France. Joan's growing popularity frightened his enemies, and in 1430 he was arrested. In the church court, Joan was accused of witchcraft and wearing men's clothing.
In 1431, Joan was burned alive. While burning at the age of only 19, witnesses heard Joan cry out for the last time, "Jesus, Jesus." 500 years after her death, the church forgave Joan and canonized her as a saint. In 1920, even today, when a girl dreams and stands up for the truth, the spirit of Joan of Arc is with her. She could be burned but not extinguished. A light can be burned but not extinguished. This was today's story. If you like the video, subscribe to Labi Lubabi. May Allah have mercy on you.